Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to charge an iPhone with another iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, you'll need an iPhone 15 or newer, since these models use a USB-C port and support charging other devices. If you're charging an older iPhone with a Lightning port, plug the USB-C end into your iPhone 15 or newer, then connect the Lightning end to the older iPhone. The iPhone with the Lightning port will automatically begin charging. If you're charging one iPhone 15 or newer with another, use a USB-C to USB-C cable. Connect both iPhones together, and iOS will automatically determine which device receives power. In most cases, the iPhone with a lower battery percentage will start charging from the one with the higher battery level. Keep in mind that this feature is designed for emergency situations. Charging speeds are much slower than using a wall charger, so don't expect fast charging performance. So that's basically how you can charge an iPhone with another iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks!